Dear students, now we are in the topic of differentiation. Day 25 part 2, level 3 is going on. Differentiation level 3, day 25 part 2. Let us see 36, 37, 38, 40, 41. See the question number 36, page number 87. F of x equal to log x base x square. Log x base x square. F dash x, find f dash x at x equal to e. Log x by x square given here. So f of x is equal to, this can be understood as, we know that log a base b meaning log a by log b. So this can be understood as log x by log x square. Log x square can be written as 2 log x. Now according to u by v, we do f dash x is equal to 1 by 2 taken common. U by v formula, apply the u by v formula, v u dash minus u dash by v square. So log x into log x derivative 1 by x, and log x internal derivative 1 by x, 1 by log x into 1 by x here, 1 by x log x. V u dash minus u v dash. So this is log x into this is 1 by x whole by log x whole square. Whole by log x whole square. Log x get cancel here. Yet he is asking x is equal to e. So f dash of e is equal to 1 by 2 into, apply the value here, 1 by e minus log e into 1 by e. Log e value 1, log 1 value 0. So this becomes 0 whole by log e value 1. This is 1 whole square. So that is equal to 1 by 2 e is the correct answer. Now 37th question. Y equal to log power nx, where log power nx means log so on. So example, log power 2 means log power 3 means log of 3, like this. Let n is equal to 2 terms I am taking. That means y is equal to log x. Enough. Y equal to log x, then dy by dx. You have same question in secondary integration also. Dy by dx is equal to here 1 by x log x. That's all. Taking cross multiplication, x log x into dy by dx is equal to 1. We ask that, then log x log x into log square x so on into dy by dx. Simply the answer is 1, fourth option. Now let us see 38th question. This is somewhat typical problem. 38th question. He given that d square x by, we have to calculate the value d square x by dy square. D square x by dy square. AIEEE 2011. D square x by dy square means the derivative of dx by dy 2 times. Write here as d by dy of d square x by dy square he given. So we can understand d by dy of dx by dy. That's all. So we generally have general notation dy by dx. So we can understand here dy by dy of dx by dy, that's okay. Now let us write d by, that is equal to d by dy of dy by dx whole inverse. Let us calculate dy by dx whole inverse. dy by dx derivative we are calculating with respect to y. General notation x power n derivative n into x power n minus 1. So that is equal to, write like this, minus of dy by dx minus of dy by dx into n into x power n minus 1 minus dy by dx whole power minus 2 into dy by dx internal derivative. Dy by dx, let us know, we should not say like this. Okay, now with respect to y we cannot calculate, with respect to x let us calculate. So write like this, d by dx of dy by dx whole inverse into, try to understand what I am writing, dx by dy. Now it becomes dx get cancelled, d by dy only. Now we are getting, we can get the value according to x derivative, we can calculate x power n minus 1 concept. So that is equal to minus of dy by dx whole power minus 2 into internal derivative of this one, dy by dx internal derivative d square y by dx square into this is dx by dy, dx by dy, that is equal to, next step, try to understand, minus dy by dx whole power minus 2 into this dx by dy can be taken as reciprocal terms, dy by dx whole power minus 1 into d square y by dx square, that is equal to minus of d square y by dx square into dy by dx whole power minus 3. This dy by dx whole power minus 3 can be written in the reciprocal to denominator. Now you can understand this is as, so d square x by dy square can be converted as d square y by dx square whole by minus of d square by dx square whole by dy by dx whole cube, fourth option, dy by dx whole cube. Now let us calculate 40th question. You will be learn the formula of 40th question in standard binomial expansions and infinite series of binomial expansion. Simply you will have the proof and everything in second year. You will learn the proof of binomial theorem. Simply I am saying now it is as a formula. 40th question, binomial theorem formula. That too, it is called as infinite series. Binomial infinite series formula, 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. 1 minus x whole power minus p by q is equal to 1 plus p by 1 into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus p into p plus q into p plus 2q by 3 factorial into x by q whole cube plus so on. He asked the question modulus x less than 1. The always the binomial infinite series defined as modulus x less than 1 only. We have to calculate the value of d by dx, this one. Now you can understand d by dx of this one directly. 40th question, d by dx of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. According to formula x power n concept, n into x power n minus 1. So minus p by q into 1 minus x whole power minus p by q minus 1 into internal derivative of minus x minus 1. This minus 1 and minus 1 becomes plus. You can understand here p by q into 1 by, taking into denominator, 1 by 1 minus x whole power p by q plus 1. That's all, first option. Now 41 question, this is IMP question. In MSET also, this is IMP question, in mains also. Y equal to cot inverse 1 plus x square minus x. Y equal to cot inverse 1 plus x square minus x. What is the value of dy by dx? We know the formula of cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. So tan inverse of, write like this, 1 by 1 plus x taken common x minus 1. Directly I have written. Next step, tan inverse of, you can write as x minus of x minus 1 whole by 1 plus x into x minus 1. X minus x get cancelled, minus of minus becomes plus 1. We have created the formula as tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. So this can be written as y is equal to tan inverse x minus of tan inverse of x minus 1. Just this is creation. Now dy by dx directly you can calculate. Tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square minus of, this is derivative 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 whole square. That's all. Third option. Now 43rd question. It is also an IMP question. 43rd. Y is equal to sin x into 1 by sin x sin to x plus y equal to sin x into 1 by sin x sin to x. Let us do one thing. Sin x is multiplying for each and everything. Then one step we can cut. Sin x by sin x sin to x like this. Write the value. The next step of question I am writing. Y equal to sin x by sin x sin to x. Sin x by sin to x sin 3x. Plus 1 sin x by sin x sin n plus 1x. That is sin x sin n plus 1x. So y is equal to, observing the denominator you can understand, denominator sin x sin 2x sin 2x sin 3x, so on. So for each and every value in denominator one gap is there. So this can be written as sin 2x minus x. Sin 2x minus x by sin x sin 2x. This is sin 3x minus 2x by sin 2x sin 3x. Plus so on. This is n plus 1x minus nx whole by sin x sin n plus 1x. So that is equal to, numerator is the form of sin of a minus b. You can expand as sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now sin 2x cos x minus cos 2x sin x. Observe the thing that denominator is distributed for numerator, two terms also. So separately I am writing sin x sin 2x. By here also sin x sin 2x. Plus here also sin 3x cos 2x by sin 2x sin 3x minus cos 3x sin 2x by sin 2x sin 3x plus 1 sin n plus 1x cos nx whole by sin x sin n plus 1x sin nx sin n plus 1x minus cos n plus 1x cos Sin A cos B formula cos n plus 1x into sin nx whole by sin nx into sin n plus 1x. Now sin x sin 2x sin 2x get cancelled here, and sin x get cancelled here, sin 3x get cancelled. In the similar way sin 2x get cancelled, like this sin n plus 1x and sin nx get cancelled. So we got the value of cos x by sin x means cot x minus this is cot 2x plus cot 2x minus cot 3x, like this, plus 1. At last this is cos nx minus cos of n plus 1x. This is plus cos nx cot cot nx minus of cot of n plus 1x minus of cot of n plus 1x. Now which will be getting cancelled, which will be remaining? Minus cot x plus cot x, like this. These terms will be getting cancelled. First and last we can get the value first and last only. So y is equal to cot x minus cot of n plus 1x. Now we need to calculate dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to, we know the formula of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Here plus you can write internal derivative n plus 1 into cosecant square of n plus 1x. So n plus 1 into, first of all he had written like this, n plus 1 into positive value n plus 1 into cosecant square of n plus 1x minus cosecant square x. N plus 1 into cosecant square of n plus 1x into minus cosecant square x. 43rd question, second option. Now let us see 48th question. 43rd question, second option. Let us see 48th question. F of x equal to cos x, cos 2x, so on, cos power n, 2 power n x. Cos x, cos 2x, cos 2 square, so on until cos 2 power n plus 1x. Cos 2 power n plus 1x. 2 power n minus 1. Then we need to calculate f dash of pi by 2. Find f dash of pi by 2. Already we have learned the formula 1 by 2 power n cos 2 power n x, 1 by 2 power n into sin. This is sin 2 power nx by sin x. Sin 2 power nx by sin x. Calculation of derivative. Now f dash x is asking 1 by 2 power n into u by v formula, vu dash minus uv dash by v square. So this is sin x into sin 2 power nx derivative cos 2 power nx into 2 power n. This is 2 power n into 1 internal derivative minus vu dash minus uv dash. So this is sin 2 power nx into cos x. We have to calculate the value f dash of pi by 2. So that is equal to 1 by 2 power n to substitute the value f dash of pi by 2. Here you one thing you can understand, cos 2 power n pi by 2. Cos 2 power n pi by 2 means cos 2 power n, like this, 2 power n into pi by 2 into 2 power n. So 2 power n into pi by 2 you can understand as example 4 pi 2. If you put the value n equal to 1 there, 2 by 2 pi cos pi, so it is minus 1. If it is 2 power n, meaning it is multiple of 2. So whenever it is a multiple of 2, maybe the value minus or plus 1. Example, it is cos 4 pi 2 square n. Of course he given n greater than, no need to confuse student, n greater than 1 he given, simply take the value n is equal to 2, 2 square with 4 by 2, 4 pi by 2, 2 pi, cos 2 pi is always 1. Like that cos 6 pi, cos 4 pi, cos 8 pi, anything is 1. But here cos single pi by 2 is 0, so the value becomes 0. Now this is 1. So 2 power n into sine 90, of course it is 1 into 1 minus 0. So 2 power n get cancelled, answer is 1. Good question. Now let us see 51st question. Root of y minus like this. Root of y minus until infinity. Is equal to root of x plus so on until infinity. Until infinity. So both are infinite series. Let this is a z. Let already this model sum we have done. Root of y minus so on until infinity is equal to z. This can be understood as root of y minus z equal to z. Squaring on both sides, we get the value y minus z equal to z square. So let us write here y equal to z square plus z. Let it be first equation. It will be useful later. Let once again also this is also z you put, because both are equal. Root of x plus so on until infinity equal to z. So that implies you can write here root of x plus z is equal to z. Root of x plus z equal to z. Squaring both sides, you get here x plus z is equal to z square. Let this is second equation. Now y, next question, x is equal to z minus z square minus z. Let this is second equation. X is equal to z square minus z. This is 2, this is z. Z square minus z. Put here, let x is equal to, here I am writing z square minus z. Let us add and subtract two equations. If we add, x plus y becomes 2z square. X plus y becomes 2z square. So z square is equal to x plus y by 2. If we subtract, here I am writing 1 plus 2. Added. Now 1 minus 2 let us do. So x minus y minus 2 minus 1, let us calculate 2 minus 1. This one minus this one, z square 2 minus 1, so x minus y is equal to 2z. So z is equal to x minus y by 2. Let this is third equation, this is fourth equation. So using third equation, fourth equation, we can write here from 3, 4 we have x plus y by 2 whole square x plus y by 2 whole square equal to x minus y. That implies expand this one as x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 2x minus 2y. Here it becomes 4, 2 will be dividing 2 times, taking cross multiplication I had written 2x minus 2y. That implies x square, taken this one, x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 2x minus y. Minus 2x minus 2y equal to 0. This is an implicit function. To calculate such derivatives, use the formula dy by dx equal to minus dou f by dou x by dou f by dou y. So calculate partial derivative of x and partial derivative of y. Now dy by dx can be written as 2x plus 2y minus 1 whole by here 2y plus this is a 2x, because to calculate derivative of y only in denominator, x only in numerator. That too minus of you should put here. 2y plus 2x minus 2. This is not 1, this is also 2. Now 2 take it common. Now it becomes minus x minus y plus 1 whole by y plus x minus 1. See the option. First question. Given first option y minus x plus 1. With minus it taken down y minus x plus 1. Y minus x minus 1. If we take minus common, y minus x minus 1. But here we got as dy by dx, this is 2y plus 2x, this is minus 2, 2y, right only. X square derivative 2x minus of dou x by dou x minus y plus 1 by y plus x minus 1. Yes, minus here only taken common maybe. Okay, leave it, already we got. If there is any confusion, y minus x minus of minus here, let us calculate once again. Dou x by dou x 2x plus 2y, right only, minus of dou x by dou x. Dou f by dou x, let us calculate 2x minus 2y minus 2. X square, this is, we have done mistake student. Z is equal to x minus y by 2. Here you should put x minus y whole square. This is x plus y. So x square plus y square, this is minus 2xy is equal to x plus 2y is equal to x 2x plus 2y. Taken the terms x square plus y square, here minus 2xy minus 2x minus 2y, it's okay. Now 2x, this is minus 2y minus 2. So minus x plus y minus 1. Yes, now we got. Again, next one, 2y, this is minus 2x minus 2. Y minus x minus 1. 51st question, yes, now it is right. Y minus x minus 1. Now let us see 53rd question. F of 0 equal to 0, f dash 0 equal to 2. F of 0 equal to 0. F dash 0 equal to 2. Then the derivative of y equal to f of x. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 f of x. Y equal to f of x. Now dy by dx is equal to, we can write properly f dash of f of x. And internal derivative, one f is going to be reduced. F dash of, for this one, f dash of f of, here 1, 2, 3, 4 we had it. Next, here 3 only. F of x like this. F dash of f of x. And internal derivative, next f dash of, for this one, f of x. And now this is f dash of x. One f is going to be reduced. Yet x is equal to 0, you substitute here. At x equal to 0, dy by dx is equal to f dash of, substitute here f of 0 into f dash of f of 0 into f dash of f of 0 into f dash of 0. That is equal to f dash of the here f of 0 becomes 0. So f dash of f of 0 into f dash of f of 0 means 0 into, this is 0, 1, another bracket. F dash of f of 0 means 0 and this is 2. So that is equal to next step f dash of, here f of 0 meaning 0 and f of 0 meaning 0, directly you can write. Into here also f dash 0 directly you can write. F dash of f of 0 into f dash of 0. So 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. F dash of 16 maybe we got there. F dash of 0 2 into f dash of 0. Just let us verify once again. F dash of 1, 2, 3, 4. F dash of f dash of f of x. Next f dash of f of x, f dash of f of x, f dash of x. It is right only. Substitute the value 0, f of 0, f dash of f of 0, f dash of f of 0, f dash of f 0, f dash of 0. Let us calculate f dash of 0 given true only. Now f dash of 0 here. Now substitute here f dash of f of 0 means 0. This is 0, okay, and this is f dash of f of 0, and this is f dash of f of 0 into 2, okay. Now f dash of 0, let us verify once again here. This is f of 0 means 0, again f of 0 means 0, so we can write f dash 0 into this is f dash of 0, and this is f dash of 0 is 2 into 2. Now 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16. 53rd question, 16. Now let us see very important question, 58th question. Y is equal to tan inverse of 1 by, this is an IMP JEE mains question, 1 by 1 plus cos square x plus cos x. Tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus cos square x plus 3 plus cos square x plus 3 cos x plus so on up to n times. So y is equal to the previous model we have discussed. We can calculate here as taking cos x common, it becomes cos x plus 1 in denominator. So try to understand like this. This is cos x plus 1 minus cos x whole by, this is 1 plus taking cos x like this, cos x plus 1 into cos x plus tan inverse of, in the similar way here you can understand cos x plus 2 minus cos x plus 1 by 1 plus cos x plus 2 into cos x plus 1 plus up to n terms. So tan inverse of cos x plus n, taking 1 as n is equal to 1 natural number started with n, so cos x plus n plus like this, cos x plus n minus 1 whole by 1 plus cos x plus n into cos x plus n minus 1. Now apply the formula tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. So this is tan inverse of cos x plus 1 minus tan inverse of cos x plus tan inverse of cos x plus 2 minus tan inverse of cos x plus 1. Minus tan inverse of cos x plus 1 plus so on. At last this is tan inverse of cos x plus n minus tan inverse of cos of x plus n minus 1. So tan inverse cos x plus 1 get cancelled like this. So last term and first term. So what is last term here? Tan inverse of cos x plus n minus tan inverse cos x will be remain. Now diff both sides. dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus cos square 1 by 1 plus x square. So 1 by 1 cos x plus 1 whole square into cos x internal derivative minus sin x minus this is also 1 by 1 plus cos square x into cos x internal derivative minus sin x. He is asking the value at is equal to f of 0. He is asking f dash 0. So f dash 0 is equal to, we know that value of sine 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 by anything finite. 0 minus 0 by anything is 0 the answer. Now 61 question. Question number 61. Question number 61. With the time. If root v by u plus root u by v is equal to 6, root v by u plus root u by v, root v by u plus root v by, root v by u plus root v by u plus root u by v is equal to 6, then dv by du, dv by du, taking cross multiplication, this is u plus v by root ub equal to 6. Next, u plus v is equal to 6 root uv, squaring both sides, it becomes u square plus v square plus 2 uv is equal to 36 uv. U square plus v square is equal to 36 uv. Now you can understand this is u square plus v square is equal to 34 uv. Apply log both sides. No, logarithm is not possible. Let us calculate the derivative. Diff both sides I am writing. Diff both sides. What is asking? dv by du with respect to u. With respect to u. So this is 2u plus this is 2v dv by du is equal to 34 into this is u into dv by du plus this is v into 1 derivative, v into 1. Now this is u plus v dv by du is equal to 17 u dv by du plus v into 17. dv by du taken one side, so dv by du into u minus 17 u, v minus 17 u is equal to 17 v minus u. Therefore dv by du is equal to 17 v minus u by v minus 17 u. Given the option as u minus 17 v by 17 v u minus v, like this. Now let us discuss the question number 64. Students, this is an important question in every competitive exam, whatever discussed now. 61 question. Now 64th question. Cos inverse of root 1 plus sin x. Cos inverse of root 1 plus sin x plus root 1 minus sin x whole by root 1 plus sin x minus root 1 minus sin x. Just one thing I am going to discuss with you, that root 1 plus sin x can be calculated as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So this can be understood as along with root. Cos is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. So cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. So that is equal to cos inverse of, this is I am writing c plus s plus c minus s. C means cos x by 2, s means sin x by 2. This is c plus s minus s plus c. So here s and s get cancelled. Here also s and s get, this is minus c plus s. So c get cancelled. So that is equal to cos inverse, maybe cot inverse, COT. COT this is cot inverse. Cot inverse of 2 cos x by 2 by 2 sin x by 2 becomes cot x by 2. So cot inverse of cot x by 2 becomes here y is equal to x by 2. So dy by dx is 1 by 2. Dy by dx equal to 1 by 2. That's all. Now let us see the question 69. 69th question, y is equal to very easy question, root of 1 plus cos 2 theta. Root of 1 plus cos 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta. Remember the formula, root of 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta and this is 2 sin square theta. So y is equal to cot theta. Y is equal to cot theta. Dy by d theta he is asking. Dy by d theta is cot theta derivative minus cosecant square theta, yet theta is equal to 3 pi by 4 he given. Cosec 135 means this is minus cosec square 135 degrees. Cosec 135 value root 2 square is 2, this is minus 2. First off. Now let us see 78th question. F of x equal to x square x cube. X square x cube 1 2x 3x square and 0 2 6x. We need to calculate the derivative of simply f dash x. Let us calculate. Two methods are there, row 1, row 2, row 3 common, row 1, row 2 derivative like this. No need to calculate in such model. Directly you can calculate the derivative of determinant value. Later you can calculate 2 into 6, 12x minus 6x square minus x square into this is 6x. That's all enough. Plus x cube into 2. So now this is 12x square minus 6x square. So it is 6x cube minus 6x cube, bracket cancel, this is 2x cube, this is f of x, so this is f dash x, we need is 6x square. Easy question only. Now let us 80 question number 80 already we have discussed. 81 is mains online question, of course 79 also AAAA question. Let us see 81 question. F of 3x given as f dash x into f double dash x. So a function is a product of first derivative and second derivative. So let f of x be a cubic polynomial. F of x be a cubic polynomial. Square is also okay, but better than square, cube is better. Now let f of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Apply this one. From 1 I am writing f of 3x, substitute here 3x, instead of x you have to substitute 3x. So this is 27x cube into a plus this is 9x square into b plus this is 3cx plus d is equal to, you have to calculate the first derivative of this function and second derivative of this function, later you can multiply. This is 3ax square plus this is 2bx plus c into second derivative, this is 6ax, the derivative of this one, 6ax plus 2b, enough. Now multiply and equate the coefficients. 27ax cube 9bx square plus 3cx plus d is equal to 3ax multiply 3 into 6 18a square x cube, next 3 into 2 6abx square. Next with this one, 2 6 are 12abx. 12abx. Next plus 2 2s are 4b square x. Next with this c, 6acx plus 2bc. Now compare coef of x. So 27 coef of, simply I have written x cube x square like this. So 27a is equal to 18a square. 27a is equal to 18a square. A get cancelled, a square times 3 table 3, 9 table 3 times, 9 table 2 times. Therefore, a is equal to, we got as 3 by 2. A value we got 3 by 2. Next compare coef of x square. Now you can understand 9b is equal to x square coef. 9b is equal to 6ab. Now 9b minus 6ab, instead of a you substitute 3 by 2 here. So 6 into 3 by 2 into b equal to 0. This one taken 3 times, 9b minus 9b of course. So b value 0. A value 3 by 2, 6 3 is 18 by 2, 0. No need to calculate b value. Now compare this x square coef. Here I am writing x cube coef. Now x coef. X coefficient 3c is equal to here 12ab plus 4b square. 12ab plus 4b square. What is the value? B we got as 0. So 3c is equal to 12 bit, of course 0. 0. Directly you can write 0. So c equal to 0. That is why I thought that cubic polynomial. Now constants. Constants d is equal to 2bc. Of course b equal to 0 we got, c equal to 0 we got. Therefore d equal to 0. Therefore f of x we got only 3 by 2 x cube. 3 by 2 x cube. Now f dash x, you write f dash x, 3 3s are 9x square by 2. Keep aside. And f double dash x, 9x. So this is 18x by 2. Substitute here f dash of 2. It becomes 9 into 4 by 2. And f double dash of 2, that is 9 into 2. This 2 get cancelled 2 times. So both we got 18. F dash of 2 is equal to f double dash of 2 is right answer. F dash of 2. So he given as f double dash 2 minus f dash 2 is equal to 0. First third option he given. 81 question, third option. This is a variety question in differentiation chapter online 2017 he given. Now let us discuss the 79th question. 79th question, x power 2x minus y be an implicit function of x power 2x minus 2x power x cot y. X power 2 into x power x cot y. 2 into x power x cot y minus 1 equal to 0. Then what is the value of y dash 1? What is the value of y dash 1? Now try to understand as x power x whole square. Of course directly you can take this one. X power cot y into 2 into x power x is equal to x power 2x minus 1. Cot y is equal to x power 2x minus 1 whole by x power 2x. Right? 2 cot 2y. 2 cot y. This can be understood as this is x only. X power x minus 1 by x power x. 2 cot y. So let us remember the formula. Cot a minus tan a. Cot a minus tan a equal to 2 cot 2a. You can observe that how many sums In which model they are giving? Cot A minus tan A equal to cot 2A concept. So let x power x is equal to cot A. Automatically 1 by x power x, because 1 by cot A is tan A. So A is equal to cot inverse of x power x. That implies 2 cot y is equal to, now cot A minus tan A. So is equal to 2 cot 2A. That implies we got y is equal to 2A. So y is equal to 2 cot inverse of x power x. Now calculate the derivative. Dy by dx is equal to cot x derivative minus 1 by 1 plus x square. So minus 2 by x power x whole square into x power x internal derivative x power x into 1 plus log x. Now he is asking at 1, y dash 1 is equal to, apply the value 1 instead of x, minus 2 into, this is minus 2. This is 1 into 1 plus log 1 value 0 by 1 plus 1. So this is minus 1. We got the value minus 1, 79% first option. Okay students, we have successfully completed the differentiation chapter until level 3. So until main standard, no problem. Differentiation chapter completed. Okay, let us discuss remaining topics, applications of differentiation in next class.